Lose weight playing a game.
Hey everyone, Coach Chuck here with a quick Fitness Frenzy update. If you're new here, Fitness Frenzy is a gamified fitness tracker where progress in-game equals progress in real life, designed by a real personal trainer and nutrition coach, your boy. The game is an RPG gym builder that ties your fitness journey to your virtual avatar. In Fitness Frenzy, you log 6 real-life fitness skills. You know, the stuff that's going to get you swole. Weight, morale, progress photo, nutrition, exercise, and knowledge. Each skill has a max level of 99, which is totally arbitrary and has absolutely no basis in anything else. Your level serves 2 functions. 1. The higher your max level, the better equipment you can buy for your in-game gym. The better your gym, the more money you make daily. 2. Your monthly EXP is totaled in the monthly leaderboard. Place well and win exclusive pets, gym equipment, and biomes. Today is my first devlog outlining some of the fun problems I had to solve using the platform I'm using. If any of this sounds interesting to you, then I need your help. Please consider joining my version of the Steam wishlist and join my drop list. All you need to do is click on the link in the description. It only takes a couple seconds. I appreciate it. Alright, onto the devlog. So you might be asking, what game engine is Coach Chuck using? And to give you an answer, I'm not. See, before I got the bright idea to turn Fitness Frenzy into a game, it was, well, is a fitness tracker that has some game elements to it. Good luck finding the 3 Easter eggs. As a fitness nut, I use MyFitnessPal, but there were some things that I did not like about it. For example, if I wanted to search chicken breast, I didn't want 1,000 different hits. Chicken is chicken. So, with my background in computer engineering, I decided to make my own version of the app. And from there it grew, and it grew, and it grew, and it grew, and it grew to the 6 skills that we mentioned previously. But I quickly found out the market does not want another fitness app, even if it is the best in class. When I found this out, it was about the same time I started streaming on Twitch using Fitness Frenzy to lead group fitness classes and teach about nutrition. As I got more into Twitch, I really wanted to find a way to reward my viewers with being consistent with the app.
Free coaching tip. Consistency is the key to health and fitness. There are no shortcuts, so stop looking for them.
Back to rewarding my viewers. I remember seeing Devlog, another indie game dev, having little avatars run around his stream, and I love them. And I decided I wanted my users to have avatars to be tied to Fitness Frenzy somehow. So as a proof of concept, I found a really cute little robot avatar made by another indie game dev, David Harrington, that I made just bounce around, and I slapped him on the app. I fell in love with him. I mean, look at him go! And from there, I started to hatch the idea for the gamification of Fitness Frenzy, what I call now the Great Fitness Frenzy Reboot. So back to the question, what game engine do I use? Well, none. I use an awesome framework called Flutter used to make cross-platform apps, specifically Android and iOS. However, there is no built-in game dev tools. But I have 40k lines of code written for this, and I'm not going back. So I'm gonna make it work, and I'm up for the challenge. If there's no built-in game rendering functionality, how are you going to make a game? Well, it involves me making my own little game engine in the app. Fortunately, my pixel art style makes this easier than you might think. Technically, all video game graphics boil down to a grid of pixels, and that grid we call a frame, and that grid gets updated a set number of times per second, better known as frame rate or FPS. If I can fill the grid with different colored pixels, like a paint by number, I'll have 1 frame. If I take 2 frames and change them slightly, then play them in a loop, it simulates movement, and that is the basis of animation. Each item, like a little robot here, is called a sprite, and if you were to expand this image into all of its frames in 1 file, you get a sprite sheet. This can easily be used to be printed in Fitness Frenzy. Now that we understand how to make a sprite sheet, all we have to do is turn the PNG file into a 2D array of colors. We can do this using a handy little function called image.decodeImage. Yes, that easy. Once we have that 2D array, we can go pixel by pixel and reprint it onto our canvas in Flutter. To get the sizing right, we just need to use a little math, and bada bing, bada go dot, we have ourselves a robot. Oh. One more take of that. So Coach Chuck, that's great and all, but I thought this was a gym builder. When is that part coming? To that, I say you're right, but we had to implement the basics first. Now that we have a simple sprite renderer, we can expand that concept and get more original artwork. First, we should start with a background, then gym equipment. Yes, I know they're just boxes. Use your imagination, it'll be gym equipment. Then finally, our new avatar design made by Pixel Boy. Look at that little guy go. Also, look, I added a visualization to the leaderboard. Look at all those little guys go. But getting to this point didn't go as smoothly as shown. So, anyways, we have little coach here walking around. And that's great, and it's a huge first step towards the great Fitness Frenzy reboot. The next item on my list is to implement a grid system to be able to put more gym equipment in, and hopefully less boxes. But that's for next time.